welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to do on this video is clean up my upper and lower arms for the front of the FD. As you can see, they're super dirty, 80,000 miles. This is kind of what happens to aluminum arms, but they're going to clean up really nice and easy and look good. So one thing that I've been using a lot, because it's cheap, is oven cleaner, because it really cuts through grease and grime, almost like makes it dissolve, and then a real hit of like a brush or a scrub pad and the stuff just comes off. So as you can see, I got both my uppers, I got both my lowers for the front. Yes, I have started to put the Super Pro bushings in. I'll make another video about that later. That's kind of harder for the front uppers to do it, and making a video while trying to hold a bunch of stuff, I was just in the mindset of getting it done, and I kind of skipped ahead of getting them in and not really bringing you guys along for that ride. But yes, I did get Super Pro bushings for the entire car. I got their complete kit, along with I got my rear sway bar installed. So what I have here is a rear lower for my right side. I'm going to be putting the bushings in that one, and I will show you how that's done on that. I also have my front hubs and everything over here cleaned up, painted, everything, and then ARPs and one of my wheel hubs. Waiting for my second one to arrive because the first one we had an issue with it. I'll show you guys what that's about here in a minute. So let me get set up and then we will start cleaning. As I hope you can see from that angle. So I got a bucket of water here. I got my brushes. I'll probably move this over here, not get the camera wet. Got my handy duty oven cleaner. This stuff is nasty, so I'm gonna get a mask actually, and I'm gonna try not to hit my bushings and get this stuff on them. All right, go ahead and just let that. Let that soak in. The whole reason I'm doing this is just to get them ready for paint. So this is what the final results are. I would say that is a pretty cleaned up arm, ready to be dried out and then set up for paint. So I just gotta get some stuff covering these bushings, and we'll be good to go. How you press these bushings in, just to be real quick, I got a ball joint separator, like a whole kit. Press the old ones out. When I went to put the new ones in, what I did is I put just a long bolt through it with some really big washers on each side, and then I just impacted it hard. You know, it was lubed up really well with the grease that they supply, just to get this back piece to break the seal and get it to pop in. And I kind of just went at it really hard, and they popped in and shot right through, so they're good. That's the main stuff. For the rear ones, it's easy. I mean, for the lower ones, it's easy. The bushings slide in. You don't even have to get a press out or anything. You just put them in by hand. Super simple. Only the top ones require some extra effort, and that's for the front only. I haven't done the rears yet. I don't know. So yeah, next step of this is going to be painting them and then getting them reinstalled. Thanks for watching, guys.